Hi everyone, and welcome. So after posting the last video about my Ambi systems, I got some helpful feedback which made me decide to go back and rework the 3D Ambi emitter system. In this video, I'll be sharing the progress that I've made on the new system so far. Just keep in mind that it's still incomplete. I'll be focusing on my general goals for the system, where my previous attempt fell short, and how the new system tackles the issues I previously ran into. Let's start with the goals and the old system's shortcomings. Goal number 1. Automatically spawn emitters on predefined static foliage and meshes that require sounds, like trees, bushes, radios, and electric boxes. And goal number 2, it has to be efficient. The old system managed to find all of the actors and spawn the right sounds on them, which I was pretty happy with, but it was very inefficient. Once it found all the actors, it spawned all of the emitters at the same time. This ended up creating thousands of emitters. This was way too heavy and just had to change. Now let's talk about what the new system can do and how it improves on the old design. The new system approaches finding the right actors and working efficiently in a completely different way. Instead of scanning the map as a whole, I decided to break the map up into small chunks using these custom boxes that I call microvolumes. Each box is able to find and store the location of relevant actors within it. I refer to these possible emitter locations as candidates. In order to use these microvolumes and the data they collected, I made a manager that handles destroying, adjusting both the size and location of the microvolumes, volume spawning, and collecting data from all the volumes with one click. Let's jump into how I actually use these boxes to place my emitters. To minimize the amount of emitters that I'm using, I create a finite amount of emitters on begin play. As I travel through the map, I want to move them to the candidates closest to the player, and have them play the events corresponding to the specific candidates. In order to avoid searching through every candidate on the map to find the closest ones, I only search the candidates that are in the box that I'm in and the ones surrounding it. This minimizes the list from thousands to about 50 possible candidates. For now, I've only got the debug spheres showing for the different types of candidates. No emitters are moved and sounds aren't getting played yet. I have my own ideas on developing the rest of the system, but I'd love to hear your thoughts on my upcoming challenges with the system's design. How should I decide which emitters are playing and where? Should I play sounds from all the emitters in the closed boxes, or should I somehow reduce the number even further? How should I manage the emitters that I'm moving around, and track which one is in use or not in the most efficient way? I'd love to hear what you guys think about that. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope that seeing the way the system works was interesting, and I'm curious to see what sort of suggestions people will come up with. And of course, I'll share the result with you when it's finished. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.